Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shar and we back with another video.
What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby.
So recently, as I can tell by the time, this is gonna be I'm trying something new, so I'm trying to get in the habit of doing a daily routine, making more use out of my time, making sure that I get things that I need to be done each and every single day. If you can hear my air, ignore it. But yeah, I'm just trying to make more effective use of my time. So with that, I am just forming a daily routine, and I bought a couple of things off of Amazon to help with that. So yeah, the first things first is I went on YouTube and I found this template. Y'all know, I don't know, well, I think I mentioned I use Notion to kind of like plan out my videos and plan out I don't know, different things that I want to that I need to do. So I have my goals, my yearly goals in here, my I do write out my grocery shopping list in Notion, as well as I have a video tracker. I have my growth tracker in here. I have my workout dashboard is in here that I created. But I wanted to create a daily routine one, and I didn't know the best way to go about creating one. So I actually found one off of YouTube. And the video I found is by, where is it? The video I found, I put his name up on the screen. I don't know how to pronounce it, but he shared his Notion template that he created. It should be down on the screen right about now, probably. But yeah, we just want to get into it. We're going to customize it. So I went in the description box. He had it linked, and I went ahead and opened that, and I duplicated the page, and I just added it to my Notion. He did it in military time. I want to convert it to regular time. I don't want it in the 24-hour clock. I want it in the 12-hour time. So I want to convert it because that's how I look at my clock. I just updated it. I updated the name, and then I just went ahead and got rid of the focus that he had in there, and then I deleted everything that he had under Saturday and Sunday, because I don't think I want to do a structure for my weekends. I think I want to keep that like free and as I go type things. So yeah, we're just gonna go in and just update everything. They have like the drop down arrow that you can click, and you can add you can add more to-dos in there, and you can kind of click it and check off each one as you go through it each day if you want to. I just need to visually see it in order to do it. So I kind of just was figuring out how I want to do my time, what I want to do when. The main thing for me is I wanted to ensure that there were certain things I wanted to include in my day. So first thing first was waking up early. I wanted to get back to waking up early, spending time with God, and getting my workout in the morning. I want to go back to working out 4 days a week with an active rest day. That's what I used to do. If y'all remember, I used to post my workout vlogs. I think I might start like posting those again. But when I was doing that, I was working out 4 days a week. I was working on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And Wednesday was my active rest day if I did anything. So yeah, waking up early, making sure I have time for God in the morning and at night. So with waking up early, I want to make sure that I have a morning prayer, as well as before I go to bed, make sure I'm reading my word and have my nighttime prayer. I wanted to make sure I included workout time, of course, and then I wanted creator time to include in my day. So just creating content, responding to emails, making up templates, you know, making stuff for Amazon, videos to go on there for my storefront, making content for TikTok, stuff like that. I wanted it inside of a shorter time frame. That way I'm not trying to figure out when each day I'm going to be doing everything. And then I wanted to make sure I included cool down time, because that's also important to your mental health, is having time to just do what it is that you want to do. But yeah, that was really it. I made sure I included that all throughout my days. Even on Wednesday when I'm not waking up as early, I wanted to ensure that I had most of those still included in that day. I'm sorry to touch my hair. It's just very big right now. But Saturdays and Sundays, I just kind of wanted to do like a to-do list because I didn't want to have it structured in any way. So I'm making sure that I have a little section that I can add to each week if there's specific things I need to do that weekend. And then making sure that I meal prep and grocery shop because I want to make sure that I'm doing those as well to go along with my fitness journey. And then making sure I'm including some type of fun activity, whether it's the movies, you know, doing something. And then making sure that I include church as well. But yeah, that was really it. I did get a couple of things to be successful in this journey. The first one, I was going to get a gym membership, and I think I still might. But for right now, I think I'm just going to go to the gym in my apartment complex and get back into that routine first before committing to a gym membership. I got this eye mask off of Amazon. It's a weighted eye mask, and it has the little dips in it. That way you can open your eyes and blink in it. And y'all can see it's a little bit thicker because it is weighted. The weighted one is supposed to help if you get like migraines, headaches, things like that. Helps relieve the pressure. So this was one thing that I did get. And then the next thing that I got was an alarm clock. This is the super slim mirror alarm clock off of Amazon. The iMac coming from off of Amazon too. But this is it right here. It was super easy to set up. It came on this little stand. On the back, it has the power outlet, and it has 2 USBs where you can plug in something to charge on it. It did come with the cord as well as the wall plug. But it's super easy to set. As you can see along the top, we have alarm 1, the down button, the snooze, dimmer, time set, the plus button, and the alarm 2. As you can see, I have both the alarms on here. It also has the dates across the bottom. In order to set it, you just hold to set the regular time, you hold this down for 3 seconds. And then you go through setting that. And then you do the same for the alarm. You hold it down for 3 seconds, hit the plus or minus to set it. Same for alarm 2. When it goes off in the morning, you can either hit here to snooze it, or you hit whichever alarm it is to turn off the alarm for the day. This button also allows you to dim it and turn it off and have it on its full brightness. But yeah, super cute, super easy to use. This is the sound it makes. So, and I thought this mirror was super cute. Not mirror, this alarm clock was super cute. Because I want to put the alarm further from my bed so that I have to get up to turn it off. Right now, I just use my phone, and having my phone over my bed, I don't have to get out the bed to turn it off, so I can just turn it off and not pay no attention. But with it being like on my dresser or something, I have to physically get out of the bed to turn it off. So that's why I got that. And yeah, that's really it. I'm going to be testing out this routine this week. And I'm pretty sure I'll be vlogging it. So y'all be seeing that coming up soon. Okay, so real quick, I forgot. The last thing that I actually did to go along with this is I did go ahead and set up the focuses within my phone so that when each major category comes up where I should be doing a particular thing, my phone will go into that mode and I can actually select what contacts will actually come through to my phone and what notifications will be silenced and so forth. So as you can see, I have one for going to bed, for creator time, for my time with God. And then I'm going to go ahead and set up the one now for fitness. That way you can see me set that up. All you do is press the plus button, and you can either select a pre-made one, or you can just go in and do a customized one. We're going to do the pre-made one for fitness. And then once you open that up, you can select what contacts you want to still come through, as well as what apps you want to still get notifications from. You can go in as well and select a custom wallpaper and background, as well as it has the smart activation where it'll turn on at a certain time each day, or when you start a certain task on your phone, such as starting a workout, as well as if you're at a certain location. But yeah, that's really it. They're super easy to set up. You can do them for whatever you got going on, and it makes you become a little bit more productive. But yeah, y'all. And that is it for this video, y'all. Thank you so much for coming and checking out a new video. More on the way. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're not, because it's free and it costs you nothing. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Please recognize I'm trying, baby.